Alrighty everyone, here we have this late 90s Bonair ceiling fan. I'm just taking this down because I'm putting the raffles in its place and haven't made a video of it, so I thought I'd just make a quick feature video of it. I do have the original 5-speed controller and I have it connected to said 5-speed controller. So go ahead and start it on low. I got this thing from Facebook Marketplace and it was actually still hanging. I took it down, as well as 2 SMC airflows and I think it was a Martech 4 Seasons. This fan is quite gutless. It's not very powerful. So that's low. It still had incandescent lamps in the light kit when I got it as well. It was in quite an old house. If I do the right speed controller. That's medium low, or speed 4. It's got a little bit faster. Medium, or speed 3. Medium high, or speed 2. And high speed. It does move a good amount of air, but it just but the blades have quite a steep pitch, and I think it works more off pitch than RPM. Because yeah, it moves enough air, but like I said, it doesn't spin very quick. Go ahead and turn it off and we'll do spin down. Has a pretty average long spin down. I've had it up in the shed for the past like 2 or 3 months. I put it up when I got it because I thought it was cool, and I mean it is. But GC raffles, and then the SMC Wattmaster is going to be coming down next, so I'll make a video of that before I take it down as well. Pretty sure these blades are aluminium. From memory, it's not. It's a pretty lightweight fan. It's an SW series, I don't think I mentioned that. It's an earlier model. The newer ones that were different. I can't English at the moment. Okay, thanks for watching.